Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I have been MIA. Starting tomorrow, December the 1st, I'm going to try to do Vlogmas. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to post every day because my internet provider has been having trouble with the internet since October, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get to post every day, but I will do my best to see if I can even post 2 videos for the day, or at least try. I'm going to try and see what I can do. So I will do it for you guys. Vlogmas December the 1st 2019. I'm very excited. My vlogs also going to be about the usual art that I do, so nothing's going to be different. But if you don't want to watch vlogs, that's fine by me. You don't have to watch, but I really appreciate if you do. And it's my first time doing this. I just started YouTubing, or yes, I just started YouTubing, so I need to tune in tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.